Not to Delaware Cadillac.
No, it is the annual Hagley Car Show, and we both made it this year.
I know, and it's a beautiful day this year.
And maybe one, or maybe a lot of the reason why Delaware Cadillac is just so darn good is because cars are in our blood. We are here with the great Walter Feist that you probably know from our service department.
Hello, everybody. Like Harry said, cars are in our blood. I've been at Delaware Cadillac 20 years. I've been coming here for 20 years. At Delaware Cadillac, we love our cars. A lot of us have cars. We like to play with cars. We like to be around cars. And we love the people that have these cars.
Walter, tell us a little bit of the history about Hagley.
Okay, Hagley, this is the original DuPont factory. This goes back to the 1800s. This is where the gunpowder mill started. This is where DuPont was born. The DuPonts owned General Motors at one point. The DuPonts actually owned Delaware Cadillac once. That was actually one of their facilities.
And all of this is right in our backyard in sunny little old Wilmington, Delaware. It's beautiful. If you're a car enthusiast and you haven't been to the Hagley Car Show, you're really missing out. It's just beautiful. Look at all these amazing cars. Thank you, Walter, for being here.
Thanks for allowing me to be part of this.
He was here whether the cameras were or not.
Yeah.
But thank you for being on the show, and thank you for all you do. Talk about a brand new 2024 Cadillac CT4V Blackwing. This car's got a lot of eyes and a lot of eyes on it at the car show. It's a beautiful color combination with the natural tan interior, the bronze wheels, the sunroof. It's 472 horsepower. It's 445 foot-pounds of torque. This car can be yours for $87,415, but there's $1,000 in down payment assistance, and you can buy it for $86,415. And CT4V Blackwings have a special rate that is available through GM Financial. And if that's not enough for you,
you could lease it for $49.95 due at signing, and your monthly lease payment will be $12.89 a month.
And because it's Delaware Cadillac, and because we're at the Hagley Car Show.
Well, either way, we pay your first 4 lease payments.
I just wanted an excuse. You got it. And all of the gas to none of the gas. We have a brand new 2024 Cadillac LYRIQ. It is a Sport 3, Level 3. With black wheels that are newer. You might not have seen the black wheels yet.
Ooh.
It's got the black roof. It's a power sunroof. It's all-wheel drive with 500 horsepower. $63,702. You're going to buy this LYRIQ right now for that price. This car is equipped. It is loaded to the gills, and it is amazing. Opulent blue. And I'm just realizing something.
We should switch places. Yeah. That's funny. This is my car. That's your car.
Okay. And if you want to lease it.
Now I feel like I should stand next to it because I'm going to talk about it now.
Go ahead.
All right. If you want to lease this vehicle, you can lease it for $39.50 due at signing, and your monthly lease payment will be at $679 a month.
And whether we're at Hagley or not, we're still going to pay
your first 4 lease payments.
We're having a lot of fun, and we're getting to see a lot of things here at the Hagley Auto Show. You missed your chance, but don't miss your chance next year. It's like the biggest auto show, at least in Delaware, and probably bigger than that.
It's pretty awesome. So Auto Team Delaware consists of Subaru, Kia, and Cadillac, all of which offer some type of electric or hybrid vehicle. Now, there are different rebates and incentives that different states are offering to incentivize you to purchase an electric vehicle, so check it out wherever you live. I know that our lovely salesman here, he was speaking with, who are you speaking with? Sabrina over there.
Sabrina, yes.
And what was she educating you on?
She was telling me about lots of things, different rebate programs available for people who purchase electric cars, who purchase hybrids, charger installation incentives, and even more so, I mean, what they do with batteries afterwards, after the life of the vehicle, where they go, what they do with them, which is something I've always been curious about. and just all the resources Delaware has available for everyone who's interested in EVs.
And that's all in addition to the federal tax credit that is offered on electric vehicles already.
Absolutely, absolutely. We want to make the EV ownership experience as easy as possible, and with all these programs available in the state of Delaware and your own local states as well, I'm sure there's plenty to choose from.
And it's good for our environment and the world we all live in.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
We had a camera so you all could see our cameraman right now as he's shrouded by his Linus blanket to cover him from the sun. There's a lot that goes into these shows. Thank you, Vince. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Ian, for all you're doing. And thank you to all those that are involved for the Hagley Car Show.
Yeah, it's been amazing. What a great day.
And I'm so glad that we actually made it for the whole car show
I
this
know,
time.
me too.
There's so much to do, so much to see here, and we've brought 2 brand new Cadillacs that could probably be parked out in the middle of the field tomorrow, let alone in 20 years or 30 years or 50 years when they're viewed as classics.
Yep.
But thank you to all those at Hagley, and we are proud to sponsor the car show, Delaware Cadillac. We love cars, and as Walter shared, cars are in our blood.
That it is.
And we're not done yet.
Nope.
But wait, there's more. We have to go to the showroom and finish the show.
All right.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's hit it. Where are you going? I'm going this way. I'll follow you.
Right.
And we're back.
We are back, and that was the Hagley Car Show. And let me tell you something. If that was the Hagley Car Show, ladies and gentlemen, we have CT4s, and we have CT4Vs, and we have CT4V Blackwings, and we have CT5s, and we have CT5Vs, and we have CT5V Blackwings. So this, and we have Escalades, and we have Escalade Vs. So this must be the Hagley V show right here in the showroom. Caitlin's gonna run out of gas, but I gotta keep going. Let's talk about an event. Let's talk about Event Car right now. This is one of our last Elevation Edition 2024 Cadillac CT4V Blackwings. It has 472 horsepower, 445 foot-pounds of torque. It lists for $90,910. You're gonna save $7,500. That's $1,000 in down payment assistance. That's like a down payment assistance dance. And you're going to buy it for $83,410 and take advantage of the special rates with the carbon fiber 1, the carbon fiber 2, the carbon fiber seats that are exclusive to these special editions, and so much more. This one's waiting. Or how about a CT5V Blackwing? A event car, a V event car. 668 horsepower, 659 foot-pounds of torque. This car lists for $119,955. You're going to save $5,000 right off the top, and it's $114,955. 682 horsepower, 653 foot-pounds of torque in this Escalade V that we have waiting for you. Or how about this brand new 2024 Cadillac Escalade? Never before, until recently, $4,000. Oh, are you done now?
I guess.
$4,000 available to you with the Cadillac loyalty rebate when you own or lease a 2010 or new Cadillac in your household. You're going to buy it for not just $102,570, but for $98,570. Now, how about the lease?
$59.50 due at signing. Monthly lease payment is $14.99 a month.
And as part of our Hagley event, or our Hagley V event show, we're going to pay your first 4 lease payments.
Next car.
Nope, that's it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we're done.
What do you mean there's 3 cars
That's
left?
yeah. No, we're all of them done. You were
When?
fooling around, revving the engine.
Are you for real?
Show's over, folks.
What?
Take exit 7 and come find out why. It's Cadillac v. Heaven.